Hi guys, good morning. This is NelsonJM and you're welcome to this episode of the WAEC 2025 series. And in this episode, we want to look at the registration of candidates who we are unable to have their cars uploaded in the 2020 series. Now, this is to inform you that since the WAEC is officially closed, any school that has more than 20 or 30 or even all their candidates unuploaded, you are supposed to pay the sum of about 100,000 naira to your state WAEC office. That way, they will open the portal for you to be able to upload. That is for schools that neglected the window period and the extension periods. Now, if you have two, three, four, five candidates, if you decide to divide the price for let's say up to 10 candidates. If you have up to 10 candidates, it's preferable that you pay the 100,000 naira to your state office. Uh, but any number less than that, you have one, two, three candidates who want to edit their name or date of birth on the WAEC 2025. They want to uh, that is for now. And those students who were unable to enter their names. Now, the first thing you need to note as the school administrator or the cyber cafe owner is that you need to have a student in the school who have the same subject that uh, you want to replace. You can only replace candidates, you cannot insert candidates with this method. Now, the replacement method comes this way. You can edit the student's name and date of birth for the sum of 8,700 naira. That is on the WAEC official portal, and you purchase the token and submit the data to the required office, and we help you do that, and which takes the cost to about 10,000. For schools that have multiple candidates, if you have more than one candidate, the 10,000 naira is for a single candidate, and for multiple candidates the price goes down to 6,500 per candidate. So 10,000 for single candidate, 6,500 for for more than one candidate, and that is for every single entry. So if you have between 1 to 10 students, 1 to 20 students, I'll you can call us and then we'll tell you what to provide and we'll be able to replace those candidates for you. That is, if you have a student who already have the same subject with the one you want to add or remove for the candidates in question. So that's the update. If you want to do that, just call us and we'll help you out. So see you on the next episode, and I hope this will be helpful to you all.